Welcome back to another English quiz challenge. This quiz includes fill in the blanks, choose the best word, synonyms, antonyms, and find the correct sentence. There are 15 questions waiting for you. Can you get a perfect score? Let's see. You'll have a question with 4 options, and you'll have 5 seconds to choose the correct answer. Let's begin. Question 1. Fill in the blank. My sister, her homework before dinner yesterday. You have 4 options, choose one. Correct answer is C. My sister finished her homework before dinner yesterday. If you got it right, then it's excellent start. Yesterday tells us the action happened in the past, so we use finished. Question 2. Choose the best word. The mountain was so that its peak touched the clouds. The correct option is B. Tall. The mountain was so tall that its peak touched the clouds. Tall is used to describe something with great height. Let's move to question 3. Choose the synonym of wealthy. It's option A. Rich. If you got it right, then well done. Wealthy and rich have nearly the same meaning. Question 4. Choose the opposite of arrive. The option C is correct. Leave. Arrive means to come. Leave means to go away. Let's move to question 5. Which sentence is correct? Option D is correct. He can sing very well. After modal verbs like can, use the best form of the verb. Score check. 5 out of 5. Incredible. If you got 4 out of 5, excellent. And if you got 3 out of 5, nice work. Keep going. Let's move to question 6. Fill in the blank. We a wonderful time at the beach last weekend. Great. It's B. Had. We had a wonderful time at the beach last weekend. Last weekend requires the past tense. Question 7. Choose the best word. The baby was asleep when the phone rang. You got 4 options, choose correct one. It's answer A. Deeply. The baby was deeply asleep when the phone rang. If you got it right, brilliant. And if you got it wrong, there's no problem. You are learning. Deeply asleep is a common English expression. Question 8. Choose the synonym of assist. The correct answer is option B. Help. Assist means to help someone. Question 9. Choose the opposite of ancient. Correct answer is C. Recent. Recent refers to something from the near past, and ancient means very old. Question 10. Which sentence is correct? Take your time and choose correct one. The correct option is D. She enjoys reading novels. After enjoy, use a verb ending in ing. Score check. 10 questions completed. Are you still aiming for 15 out of 15? Let's finish strong. Question 11. Fill in the blank. The train before we reached the station. Great job if you choose option B. Left. The train left before we reached the station. The action happened in the past. Question 12. Choose the best word. Everyone was by her beautiful singing voice. Choose one. If you choose option A, fantastic. It's amazed. Everyone was amazed by her beautiful singing voice. Amazed means greatly surprised. Question 13. Choose the synonym of silent. Correct answer is B. Quiet. Silent means making little or no sound. Question 14. Choose the opposite of generous. Excellent if you choose option C, self-centered. A self-centered person mainly thinks about themselves. Now let's move to the last question. Question 15. Which sentence is correct? Take your time and choose one. The correct answer is option B. Where are you going? In questions, the helping verb comes before the subject. Congratulations, you completed the challenge. It's time for final results. If you got 0 to 6 correct, keep practicing. If you got 7 to 9 correct, good effort. And if you got 10 to 12 correct, then you are a skilled learner. And if you got 13 to 15 correct, then you are English superstar. How many did you get right? Write your score in the comments below. Challenge a friend to beat your score.